Alright guys, this is the day 10 video, and I got up in the tree stand. It was still dark, and when I got there, a little while later, a bull started just barking about 100 yards away. So go ahead and turn up the volume. It's going to be a pitch black clip, but just go ahead and listen to the volume, and then we'll get into the video. Well, another close call this morning. Had a bull. You can probably hear it in that clip. Had a bull barking at 100 yards away before shooting light. And, you know, I thought for sure he would come in. And eventually he just went silent and moved off. I didn't call or anything, just waited. But who knows, he might still be around. He might still come in. It's still really early. It's only 7, so we got time, and we'll see what happens. The elk are definitely getting more vocal. It's September 1st. Actually, goes up and then almost shot in frame, and it does look good. Well, today the weather's been sort of warm, occasionally a little windy, very little cloud cover. I got up and glassed this morning in a spot on a hillside where I could listen to an entire big canyon also, and I did hear a nice bugle, but only one, and it was right before the sun came up, and I heard some barking, and sat there and gave it a good run, and then I basically headed back, did some maintenance work on the camping trailer, and then did some camp cooking work, and took a break. Days are really long up here, and then we headed back out, took a ATV Polaris Ranger ride to explore some new areas, and we're checking it out. We found a nice wallow that looks real attractive. We've ran into areas that have been grazed off by sheep, and we saw some sheep herds also. So it's getting near evening time. We're going to loop around back to the ATV and maybe get to a good spot before we get to the ATV where we can listen for bugles. And we might even try a bugle today and see if we get anybody to talk back to us. So it's been a good day.
do you think of this? Someone's putting rocks in the road. Yep. Well, I'm out here glassing and listening for bugles, wrapping up the day. I don't know if you guys could tell in that last clip, but basically what happened was we drove down in this road that a lot of people, you know, weekend warriors use to off-road and hunters use, and you're allowed to use. We're the last ones out, and someone decided to roll huge rocks into the road, like the whole way up. So that's a little glimpse of what that was. We're getting off, moving the rocks, and my guess would be it's probably like tree huggers or anti-hunters or something like that, but it was ridiculous, man. I was really hoping we'd catch up to them, but we didn't. So it is what it is. We were able to, thankfully we're both fairly, you know, able-bodied, so we were able to move the rocks out of the way and, you know, continue on our way. So now I'm glassing, listening for bugles to wrap up the night, and we'll hit it hard again tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Please share this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.